Welcome back to Gyan Amrit Coaching. News headlines for School Morning Assembly. First from National News. Prime Minister says Congress manifesto has Muslim League mindset. PM in his public poll rally hit out at Congress election manifesto saying it is completely reflecting the mindset of Muslim League during freedom struggle. NIA team attacked in Bengal. An officer of NIA was injured and the agency's vehicle damaged in East Midnapur district of West Bengal as an unruly mob comprising local residents tried to obstruct the NIA team from arresting two alleged key conspirators behind the December 2022 Bhupatinagar blast. Now, international news. Maldives thanks India for export of essential items. Maldives foreign minister said that India stands firmly committed to its neighborhood first and Sagar policies. China may use AI tools to interfere polls in India. Software giant Microsoft claimed in its blog that China, by using AI generated augmenting memes videos, may prove effective down the line. With major election taking place around the world this year, particularly in the USA, South Korea, and India, China will create and amplify AI generated contents to benefit its interests. Thank you.